Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your Odoo account. To get started, open your browser and go to the official Odoo website. This is useful if you no longer use Odoo, created an account by mistake, or want to remove your personal account from the platform. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're signed into the account you want to remove. This process takes place inside your account settings, so being logged into the correct profile is important before you continue. If you manage more than one Odoo account or company database, double-check the email address and account details first. From the Odoo homepage, look toward the top area of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open the account menu, where you can access your personal settings and other account-related options. If you have multiple browser sessions open, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're in the right account before moving forward. Next, click on My Account. This will take you to your account dashboard, where Odoo keeps your personal account details, preferences, and security options. From here, you'll be able to navigate to the section that controls account access and deletion. Once you're on the account page, click on Connection and Security. This area is where Odoo manages login details, password-related settings, and account protection features. Since deleting an account is a sensitive action, it makes sense that the option is placed inside the Security section. On the Connection and Security page, find and click Delete Account. After selecting it, Odoo will ask you to verify the request. This extra confirmation step helps prevent accidental account deletion, so take a moment to read anything shown on the screen before continuing. It is also a good idea to make sure you have already saved or exported anything important before going further. You'll then need to type in your password. Enter the password for your Odoo account carefully, and make sure there are no typing errors. Password confirmation is required to prove that you're the account owner and authorized to complete the deletion. After that, type in your Gmail account, or more specifically, the email address associated with the Odoo account you're deleting. Be sure to enter the exact email address linked to that account. This step is another layer of confirmation, so accuracy matters here. Finally, click Delete Account to complete the process. Once you do that, your Odoo account deletion request will be submitted or finalized, depending on how Odoo handles account removals at that moment. Before confirming, make sure you no longer need access to any data, services, or subscriptions connected to the account, because deleting it may be permanent or difficult to reverse. Also, if you have an active paid subscription, it is smart to review your billing or subscription status first, so you know whether anything else needs to be canceled separately. And that's it. That's how to delete your Odoo account quickly and securely. After completing the process, you may want to check your email for any confirmation message, just so you have a record that the request was submitted.